So we're back with the ISS. We've got a short 30-second clip here we're going to look at. We'll put aside the silly hairspray fetish here. Now, if the environment itself that these people claim to be in created her hair to be like that, and it wasn't hairspray, then Matey Boy's moustache and his hair would also want him to be entertaining that silliness. But it's not. It's always the women. And it's always a hairspray fetish-driven pantomime of deceit to get people to believe in silly things like space stations orbiting globes in a vacuum. All physically impossible. Excuse me. No one doubts the sky observation, which is cited as the ISS. Seen it myself with my own eyes. But it doesn't mean physical reality is wrong, does it? Come on, let's get sensible about this. But let's entertain this short clip. Let's put aside all those things and entertain this sci-fi clip. Watch the woman here. Halfway through, something a bit strange happens to her. It's almost like she has a lifting device failure here. She gets slightly twanged and tugged upwards.
I think right now we're heading southeast over the Pacific Ocean. But one of the great things about being up here is that every 90 minutes we do an orbit and we get to see a new piece of the Earth below us. And like Jessica was saying, it changes constantly. It's just such a wonderful view out the window.
Very strange. And again.
See a new piece of the Earth below us. And like Jessica was saying, it changes constantly. It's just such a wonderful view out the window.
Yeah, but you just never ever show us, mate, do you? If I was there and this environment was real and all of these stories were true, I'd take a camera up there and film it for everyone on Earth to see. I'd be sat at that window drinking tea, dunking biscuits in me tea, although that would probably be quite difficult if that environment was real. But you get my point. And I'd be looking out the window, filming this, talking, narrating incredible footage for you, watching the Earth do its thing, zooming in with me P900, doing all sorts of cool things for you. But we get the same old silliness from these people.
Every time, Jessica was saying, it changes constantly. It's just such a wonderful view out the window every time, no matter.
And one more time.
Piece of the Earth below us, and like Jessica was saying, it changes constantly. It's just such a wonderful view out the window.
Very strange. It's almost like her lifting device failed. She kind of didn't expect that. Matey Boy kept his cool, moustache and all. But overall, it's the same old shambolic silliness that only fools buy into now. We're at a stage now where this Artemis mission has woken up many sleepers to the fact that institutions, big institutions, don't necessarily have your best interest at heart and aren't necessarily telling the truth, as this so-called moon landing Artemis 2 has proven. So bad was that in this age of modern technology. Like I said, even deep sleepers now have like scratching their head wondering what's going on. And then when you entertain the globe Earth theory, and you demand physical proof that backs the claims rather than defend some alternative concept, then the globe becomes quickly exposed as something that's not physically true. How can something be physically true if it can't be physically demonstrated? Have a good one, everyone.